the threat is real, and in fact the North American Olive Oil Association is dedicating a substantial part of these 2 days that were dedicated to promoting olive oil, the standard of identity, and a very positive messages. Now it's been turned quite quickly into a defense mechanism. And we are trying to lobby the possibility to avoid having tariffs of up to 100% of the value of the imported goods on olive oil coming from the European Union. Now, this is, of course, is a big issue that doesn't involve only olive oil. It is a long list of categories, and these are a part of retaliatory tariffs that the American administration is imposing, would like to impose on European goods as a part of the fight within the WTO organization against the Airbus subsidies. But we are talking about olive oil, and therefore for us the threat is real, and it would be a catastrophic event for the category. The vast majority of the olive oil consumed by the US consumers comes from the European Union. So there will not be an easy substitute for the olive oil once the price will double or triple following sanctions about 100% tariffs. So the American consumer will be forced to buy inferior products, vegetable oils, and so on. And in fact, it has been called, in a certain sense, a tax on health of the US consumers. Of course, for the industry it will be catastrophic. We will have huge problems in doubling the prices, and of course, consumption will fall dramatically. The North American Olive Oil Association has made a petition to the US authorities, gathering signatures and opinion of people also outside of the industry, dietitians, doctors, university professors, all saying that olive oil is such an healthy product, and since it doesn't have an easy alternative for the American consumer, a tariff on olive oil would be really a tax on health. It's very important, however, that we also raise awareness of this issue in Europe, because there are two parts. There's the American administration and there's the European administration, and it's absolutely fundamental that we get both administrations understanding the gravity of this situation.